To gain experience with these principles, suppose that we have three goods. Perhaps the easiest thing to measure is their expenditure shares, which we find to be 1/6, 1/3, and 1/2. In a Cobb-Douglas utility framework, all income elasticities are equal to 1, and the partial elasticities of substitution are also 1. This means that the Hicksian own price elasticities for these goods are 5/6, 2/3, and 1/2, respectively. The Marshallian and Frisch own price elasticities are each 1, and all cross-price elasticities are 0. For example, the Hicksian cross-price elasticity between either good 2 or good 3 and good 1 is 1/6, reflecting the expenditure share of good 1. If we desire Marshallian demand functions that are price elastic, we must move beyond the Cobb-Douglas assumption. One option is to adopt CES preferences with an elasticity of substitution greater than 1. CES preferences are both additively separable and homothetic, meaning that the magnitude of any Hicksian own price elasticity exceeds 1 minus its share. According to Slutsky's equation, the Marshallian own price elasticity will fall within the interval defined by the elasticity of substitution and 1. For a scenario where some goods have price-elastic Marshallian demand while others do not, CES preferences alone are insufficient. Additively separable preferences can still be employed, but in this framework, price-elastic goods will also tend to be income-elastic. Now, let's preview the industry model, which is elaborated in Chapter 14 of this book. While it may resemble the canonical supply and demand model, it is actually a structured three-good demand system. This model is a special case of the quasi-linear utility framework, where two of the three goods have zero income elasticity. The industry model requires only 2 substitution parameters and 4 degrees of freedom. This is just one more parameter than a two-good model, making the industry model a workhorse of Chicago price theory.